because we have time constraints and we are running a little bit, so I will make the presentation very short. I'm just going to skip the curriculum and the mission part because of the time constraint. Before I start, I'm going to share with you about one story. Last year, actually we had our annual forum supported by Jim and Vicky. Jim actually was downstairs in Taipei. During the coffee break of that forum, one director of social enterprise in Taipei came talking to me, saying that she has been knocking the door to get help from several universities in Taiwan. But for some reasons, she didn't tell me all the details. All the universities or all the deans say, probably we couldn't help. And once I got her ideas regarding what kind of help she needs, I said, okay, well, you can come talking to me after the event. Actually, that social enterprise is a chocolate factory. That chocolate factory actually is a shelter home for one private foundation supported by the Christian community. The shelter mainly try to help those women who had home violence or sexual harassment, something like that. And so I said, no problem, we should be able to help you. So after she talked to me last August, right now that company is stationed in our incubation center. I'm personally their consultant, helping them write business plans, have my graduate student write a website for them, have my student doing a graduation project using their company as the target. So that's one story I would like to share with you. So from my understanding, curriculum is important. Tell the students principles are also important. But my understanding is that actions sometimes speak louder than words. So I'm going to skip lots of my slides. This one because of the time constraint. I'm going to skip about this. Some figures you can understand. Taiwan is a very competitive market for higher education because we have. I believe that's the most updated number. 164 colleges and universities, more than 130 business schools. So we need to have something very unique, in order to continually compete in that market. So from my understanding, how to become a business school with the unique characteristics is the key for us to compete. So I'm going to share with you some focus areas we have been working on recently. The first area, actually, lots of colleagues have already talked about, is service learning. And the second project, we also spend lots of efforts, is social enterprise. And also, the third one is corporate social responsibility. We all have some very good examples about the projects we have been working on. I think that's basically the key components I'm going to share with you. Our service learning center got the highest recognition from the Minister of Education and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Taiwan. actually, the director of our Service Learning Center right now is in Santa Barbara University because he has 10 students from our college with him join the service learning program offered by Santa Barbara University. So I wish he could be here to share more about his experiences. Some important service learning programs that we have been working on recently here on the list. We have a tax help center, mainly for those people who don't have the capability to file tax. That's the first part. It has been a while. It is supported by our Department of Accounting. Lots of undergrad students and graduate students, they have been involved in this project. And the second one is the online tutoring program for children in remote areas. Because in some areas of Taiwan, the students, they don't receive enough educational funding and support. We have been funded by a huge corporation in Taiwan to provide some resources to help us launch an online tutoring program for those children who need help. The third part is we also provide consulting services to local social enterprises. It has been a while. And currently, I think we have some students are doing the stuff right now. And also, we have lots of students serve as ambassadors to do volunteer work in countries having diplomatic relationship with Taiwan. I don't know whether many of you sitting downstairs have observed that Taiwan actually, when we're talking about diplomatic situation with foreign countries, we are kind of very difficult, because most countries around the globe think Taiwan is part of China. So right now, if I do not make a mistake, we only have about 28 countries recognizing Taiwan, and the most of the countries, including U.S., major countries around the globe, they don't have diplomatic relationship with Taiwan. They only have an office over there in Taiwan.